Hello, welcome to another exciting video upgrade review. This is an Intel Core 2 Duo 2.4 GHz with 2 gigs of DDR3 and a 320 gig internal SATA hard drive. This particular model can have up to 16 gigs of RAM unofficially, but officially it supports up to 8 gigs of RAM. The hard drive can be upgraded, but is very difficult to get the hard drive out, so I would not recommend it. There are videos online on YouTube that demonstrates how to do this, but I will not be demonstrating that aspect. However, the RAM is very easy to upgrade, as I will show you now. Simply flip over your MacMini, twist, comes off, nice and easy. As you can see, getting to the internal components, or some of the internal components, couldn't be simpler. You've got your RAM, 2 sticks of RAM, you've got your wireless, behind the wireless is your hard drive, so this is where your hard drive sits. This is your fan, and behind that is your CPU. Taking the RAM out is very simple. Flip, out, click it, click, out, and there you have it. There's 2 slots available. As I said earlier, it can support 16 gigs of RAM, so these sticks would need to be 8 gig sticks. Putting the RAM in is just as easy. Flip in, push, lock. Again, push and lock. How easy is that? Very simple, hey? Putting back the lid, simple enough as it is. If you look carefully, if you can see that, unlock, twist, lock. Nice and simple, hey? So there we have it.